Let's look at the next property of ratio. A quantity can be changed to another quantity in a particular ratio. Here the quantity P is going to be changed to the new quantity Q in the ratio A is to B. Here we may have a question. This change is going to be increase or decrease. It depends upon the ratio in which we are going to change the quantity. How do we have to know from the ratio whether the change is going to be increase or decrease? Let's take an example, 7:6. I am going to change a particular quantity in this ratio 7:6. So now I want to know whether this change is going to be increase or decrease. You have to look at the ratio from left to right. When you look at this ratio from left to right, clearly it's decreasing. That is decreasing from 7 to 6. So the change I am going to make in this ratio will be a decrease. In case the ratio is 5:7, look at this ratio from left to right. So 5 is getting increased. So this change is going to be an increase. Okay, now let's look at the formula to find the new quantity. I mean the quantity after change. Here the old quantity is P and new quantity is Q. Now I know the old quantity, I want to know the new quantity that we receive after the old quantity is changed in the ratio A is to B. So the formula to know the new quantity Q is equal to, you have to multiply the second term of the ratio B by the original quantity, that is B times P, and this product has to be divided by the first term of the ratio. So whenever a quantity is changed to another quantity in a ratio, the formula to find the new quantity is the second term of the ratio to be multiplied by the old quantity, and the product has to be multiplied by the first term of the ratio. Let's look at an example. The weight of a person is 56.7 kilograms. So the person is going to reduce his weight in the ratio 7:6. Now I want to know the weight of the person after decreasing. How? So new weight of the person is equal to, so the original weight 56.7 to be multiplied by the second term of the ratio, that is 6 times 56.7. This product has to be divided by the first term of the ratio, that is 7. 7 goes into 7 1 times, 7 goes into 56 8 times, 7 goes into 7 1 times. When you multiply 6 and 8.1, you will be getting 48.6 kilograms. So the original weight of the person is 56.7 kilogram. He is going to change his weight in the ratio 7:6. When you look at the ratio from left to right, clearly it's decreasing. So the person is going to reduce his weight from 56.7 kilogram. So to know the new weight after change, I mean after decrease, I multiply the second term of the ratio by the original quantity, and then I divide the product by the first term of the ratio, then I get 48.6 kilogram. So after change, that is after decrease, the new weight of the person will be 48.6 kilogram.